Hello dear friends, how are you all? Welcome to my channel. I hope you are all fine and doing well. Today I'm going to share with you very stylish and beautiful designs of knitted outfits for women and girls. All these designs are very stylish and trendy. I must suggest you to watch this video till the end. Our channel is all about Western fashion. Here you will see Western dresses and shoes design. Here you will find leather dresses, leather pants, trousers, jackets, puffer jackets, long power dresses, knee-high boots, jumpsuits, cutter dresses, cutter skirts, mini skirts, micro skirts, long gloves, thigh-high boots, knee-high boots, power dresses, long power dresses, long boots, and all other items of leather. Videos from our channel can help you. Videos from our channel can give you complete guide to new fashion. You can easily buy any of these designs from the market and websites. Let me tell you about the websites from where you can buy these designs. So my dear friends, you can buy these designs from Amazon.com and our other websites. Dear friends, please support me by like, share and subscribe. Please share this video with your friends and family members and hit the like button. Our channel is all about Western fashion. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you want to see something else, you can send us your messages by commenting in the comment section. And dear friends, take good care of yourself and goodbye till the next video. See you soon with new designs, new collection and new ideas. So goodbye till the next video.